Hi friends, today I will show you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. First, search for Google Meet, then click on the first link. From here, click the New Meeting button. You will be shown three options. Today we will select the third one, which is Schedule in Google Calendar. Now you will be shown a new menu from where you can set all your meeting details. You can set the meeting title, which we will set as Meeting 1 at, at the top. You can set the starting date, the starting time, the end time, the ending date, as well as the time zone. You can also add guests by clicking this option and selecting their email. Once you have finished, you can then copy the meeting ID or click Save, which will send an email to all the guests. You can also see the meeting details on your Google Calendar. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.